Okay, unboxing Spirit Keeper's Tarot. It's a really, really sturdy box. Really, really sturdy. I'm really happy with how that came out.
It's a lot sturdier than most commercially sold boxes.
Oh, it feels so... Okay. Oh, that is so pretty. Look at that. Okay, that's really, I'm really, really happy. Wow. It's the back. Okay. Little white book. Small, useless, very, very useless. You know, I made one because everyone said I needed to have a little white book. If you really want to know anything about the deck, you have to get the Book of Maps. Not a marketing ploy, just it is what it is. So this is just an accessory. No shrink wrap, you know, and it's got a little band, plastic band, just to cover it, to protect it. Gold gilded edging. Look at that. That's the edging. The gold is symbolic, you know, because it is an alchemical deck, and so, you know, turning lead into gold, and so it reminds you of your great work. That perfect 350. You hear that? That's what it sounds like when you shuffle it. Okay, it's really good quality. See, my hands are oily and just normal. See? Doesn't leave any smudge marks. No smudge marks at all. When I... See that? I'm sorry about the noise. Garbage truck is coming along. See? Oh, and this is the back. Quality came out exactly as I hoped. Look at that. Nothing sticks. You see that? None of the cards are sticking. No stick whatsoever. Each one is sliding right off the other like butter. Really just like butter. Look at that. And you can tell by the key numbers, I'm going in order. Nothing is sticking. Yes. See, it didn't stick. That was not a stick. That was just me sucking at pulling cards. That's just me, 100% me, not the cards. Look at that. Oh my goodness. You hear that? Oh, it smells so good. Huh? Okay. How do I cut this? Oh, it's in another box. That's good. Clever of them. Do you see how it's packed?